Shalom. Today we're going to discuss the Fiance visa to the United States, the K1 and K2 visas. Basically, when there's a couple, when one spouse is an American citizen and the other is a non-American citizen, and they are fiancé, meaning planning to get officially married, then the U.S. Spouse can apply for a K1 visa for the foreign spouse. In order for the visa to be approved, the couple must commit to get married. This is basically a prerequisite to obtain the K visa, and the main requirement for the K visa is to get married within 90 days. In order to be approved a K1 visa, the couple needs to prove that there was a relationship that existed for 2 years previous to the submission of the application, and this can be done by basically submitting photos, a joint bank account, a rental contract where you both appear, utility bills with both names, and so on and so forth. And once the K visa is approved, and as mentioned, the couple will need to get married within 90 days, and then they can apply for basically a green card for the foreign spouse. Another important matter to note is that the holder of the K visa cannot work in the United States, and he cannot even really leave the United States with that visa. That visa is limited to getting married within 90 days of obtaining the visa, and then to applying for the green card. After the application for the green card is submitted, the foreign non-American spouse can basically apply for a working document, for a working approval. This document is called an EAD, an Employment Authorization Document. And with this card, the foreign spouse is able to work, and this document can also be renewed until the green card is approved. It's also important to understand that many times the foreign spouse might have children with him or her from a previous relationship. And it's also possible to apply for a visa for the children. This visa is called a K2 visa. And the American spouse is supposed to apply for a K2 visa for these relevant children from a previous relationship. These children must be below the age of 21 when the application for the visa is applied for, and they must be under 18 before when the couple gets officially married. And when it comes to the timeline, the time frame for this application to be processed and approved, we're dealing with around 1 to 2 years, more or less. And it's impossible for us to exactly control the time, because this time is basically relevant also to the relevant USCIC office that will be handling the application. We don't control which USCIC office will handle the application. Some are faster and some are slower. Therefore, we can only give an estimation of around 1 to 2 years for the K visa to be approved. We hope that this information was helpful, and please feel free to contact us with any further questions or clarifications. Thank you very much for your time.